Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDC from Coinbase Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDC seamlessly between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it perfect for traders and investors alike. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase wallet and a Robinhood account set up. You'll need USDC in your Coinbase wallet and the exact Robinhood wallet address handy to avoid any hiccups. Why is this important? Well, in 2025, blockchain transactions are faster and more secure, but accuracy is key to prevent fees or lost funds. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device or visit the website. Log in securely and navigate to your dashboard. Locate your USDC balance. That's the stablecoin we're working with today. Step 2. Tap or click on the USDC asset to select it. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Go ahead and choose that. Now, enter the Robinhood wallet address. Double-check this to ensure it's correct. You can find it in your Robinhood app under the crypto section. Step 3. Input the amount of USDC you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those. In 2025, these are often minimal on supported networks like Ethereum or Solana. Review the details and hit confirm. You'll get a transaction confirmation prompt. Approve it with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes just a few minutes to process, thanks to improved blockchain speeds. Head over to your Robinhood app and refresh your portfolio to see your USDC arrive. A quick tip. Always use the correct network for USDC, like ERC20 on Ethereum, to match what Robinhood supports. If you run into issues, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. There you have it. Sending USDC from Coinbase to Robinhood is straightforward and efficient. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.